Hey guys, welcome to this video. And today I'm gonna do a full deconstruct of Jacob Caris, a person who has sold more than $3 million of information online, digital products, coaching, and all that related to it online. And he has like 2 Club awards. And the reason I'm doing this, I do organic marketing only, and a lot of people are this in this assumption that they need a big audience to monetize, they need a really big audience to make a lot of money and do that kind of stuff. But in this video you will be 100% clear how how simple it can be to get your business running and get the results that you want. uh, and a special announcement: free Facebook group is open for you. Uh, to take benefit or have free trainings in it to implement. You can go implement and make some money online. uh, and you have interviews too with people who are way along the line, who are making more than $100,000 a year in their businesses. So this is going to really well, and stay with me by the end of video so you can understand how you can generate at least $10,000 a month with your online business, with your affiliate marketing or coaching business, high ticket affiliate marketing coaching business. So let's get started. I'm gonna keep this here. Okay. So the first is how the most important thing is the traffic. How to get traffic. And like, if you don't have traffic, you really don't have a business. You can have the best product in the world, you can have the best profit, like offer in the world, but you have no traffic, there's no one to buy. So the first thing is you need to work on that to get clear on how you can have traffic. So traffic with the Jacob, I'm gonna go only Jacob Caris, is nothing on my business. I'm gonna relate it a little bit so you can have understanding. So profile. So he has his Facebook profile where people can find him on Facebook. So first thing is that. Second is they run as his business expanding, he used ads to run this business, and it just fuels the more ecosystem. It's all organic, it just fuels the ecosystem more. So the third is the most important, I think, the word of mouth and search to website. So a lot of people searched his name, they see where this he's hanging out. He had done a lot of interview, he had done a lot of arts, right? So he has this lot of word of mouth, and people are searching his name. When people search the jwebcaris.com shows up, so people know where to find him. Then he has his podcast. He has done other podcasts, other people podcasts, so there too. And he has his own YouTube channel, and everything: profile, ads, word of mouth, search to website, podcast, YouTube. This attract component, step one, leads to jwebcaris.com. So now that the traffic is over, like, there's so many components you can go to for the traffic that is never gonna the machine is never gonna stop producing the qualified traffic. Then when people like what he's saying, what he's trying to help with, people go to the more qualified phase, like capture means where his capture his email address, capture into a capture email, or get their information to see are they qualified at least or not. Where are they at? They are at making zero money online, they are making $10,000 online or more than that. And then everything goes here, so it's everything lead to one place, then the capture phase is over. And then the most important phase started is the nurture part. So this is the most crucial. Even if there are two kind of people now, so people who are hot buyers now that have listened something about that, oh, I'm gonna just buy. Second, people who are still in nurture stage, they want to know about the person. Some people buy after a week, some people buy after a year, some people buy after 5 years. You never know. It's just a nurture phase. You just keep on nurturing people. And how he does that, he has his Facebook group and then his email list. So people enter there, enter their information in jacobcaris.com, it goes to the email list, and then email list, and then it go to Facebook group, so people have their real profiles there, so they can know more about him personally, selling more him on himself, more than selling him more than on the brand, what he's trying to do. And then, and there's an email list too, so email list push towards Facebook group too, and then Facebook group push toward email list, so it's a whole ecosystem. So the nurture phase gets started, and then slowly are people falling towards the end, that people who gonna buy. And right now, so in the beginning I said that you need not big audience to monetize, right? So this person has sold more than $3 million of digital products online. He has a group of 3,400 people, that's all. And his YouTube channel is 4,000 subscribers, that's all. So see the power of it. You don't need like millions and millions of guys to make millions. You need just more qualified people who really have the problem, and you have the solution to solve it. And then when the people are slowly nurturing, they get on one-on-one messenger. I'm gonna move this. The people are one-on-one messenger conversation with him, like, can I get help with you? So people talk to him, and his team or his Jim Carrey himself talk to them and make sure they're qualified, they're not just buying and making the wrong decision, on just making the right decision, like this is the next step toward their journey. And this goes on one-to-one messenger conversation then. And then step 5 is convert. So what I mean, so he do this all by not jumping on a Zoom call. So imagine people are already nurtured. They inbound message him now that can I buy, and now at the step 5 is convert. So at the front end he has offer of $1,000 to $5,000. I'm gonna zoom this. $1,000 to $5,000, and in this they like when they're the right fit and people buy this, and then convert. And now it's still not the game over. Usually what people do, they think that, oh, I sold a $5,000 product and it's done. It's not over yet. And he has a test step 6, ascend. So what ascend means is he has his inner circle. I have an inner circle too. So he has an inner circle, is a back end program from 6K to $60,000 program. So the people who work with him closely one on one to get the results they want to make $100,000 a month, things like that. And all this is happening happening without discovery calls, strategy calls, setters, closers, wasting time on FV or high marketing events. So you see the power of it. You don't need, and you see, just two things are really working here. Other components too, but really what is happening is the Facebook group and the email list. And if you can build these assets, like this is the asset too, but you can build this asset, the email list. Whenever they enter your ecosystem, you get the email list, email done, and it's gonna keep your business for a long time in the market. Usually online business doesn't run for a long time, but if you are on the way collecting asset like email list, you are really understanding what's really going on, you're nurturing people on the way, they're going to be a lifelong customer of yours. And hope this video gives you a lot of value. And the reason I want to do this was, this is so simple business model, and literally anyone can start tomorrow with their high ticket affiliate marketing business or coaching business. Because the reason I say high ticket is, you don't need that much audience, right? But you still need to make enough money. So if you want to make like at least $10,000 to $20,000, you can use this same process and build your ecosystem, and every day put often in front of the people. Some people might say run webinars, some people might say run ads, But if you have this kind of structure, every day leads are coming, every day things are happening, and every day things are moving. People are getting converted, people are getting results too. So when people get results, you get notified 100%. So people can decide to that one 6,000 to $1,600 offer. And why would people say no? They already got the results they wanted to, making like 10 $20,000 a month at least, and they can ascend to the more they want to make more, right? They can go for one-on-one coaching now. They can work on a long time basis now. So this is how thing. And the reason this all comes together is he doesn't use his Zoom calls. He has a simple system of using Google Doc, and that's how he put offense in front of people without wasting any time, without wasting their time, because strategy call is a long like uh, business model. I think doing people are doing this for a long time. But imagine if the people are getting nurturing at so really good level. I'm not going into the detail what goes in the group. Like it's gonna be a long video with if I start talking about what goes in the profile, what goes in the ads, what go in the. But I'm saying I'm just gonna show you what's the general framework of what's really happening, and hope this video brings you a lot of value. If you have any questions, let me know, and see you in the next. And the most important things, once again, the free Facebook group is open for you. If you want to get benefit those, learn more how you can make $10,000 $20,000 a month with your high ticket affiliate or coaching business, go ahead. And wish you a great day. Bye bye.